going on, Samurais? It's your boy Sam here, and today I'm coming at you with another Photoshop quick tip video. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about the object selection tool inside of Photoshop. Now I think this is a tool that is highly underestimated and underused by most Photoshop editors. And I don't really understand why, because it really makes selecting objects super simple and super quick. But before we talk about the tool, I want to remind you guys, if you haven't yet, please go down there and click that subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of the family. If you've already joined the family, make sure to share these videos with your friends and family. Follow me on all my social media at Sam Angello. And if you like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so I know to keep making videos just like this for you guys. All right, let's hop over to Photoshop. All right, Samurai, so now you can see we are inside of Photoshop, and today we are working with our beautiful, gorgeous model, Osmo, the Labrador Retriever. I know, he's just so cute. He's one of the bitches. Okay, I'll stop this now. All right, so let's talk about how to actually select the object. So let's pretend that this is gonna be a magazine cover, and we want to change this ball's color. So the editor called us up and go, "Hey, you idiot, why is the ball blue? It needs to be purple." Okay, we can change that 1, 2, 3. So now you hang up the phone and you're crying, "Oh my God, I'm gonna have to get my weight, goddammit. It's gonna take me hours to mask around this circle." Nope, nope, nope. It's not, because you're going to use your object selection tool inside of Photoshop, and we're gonna click on it right here. You'll find it right here. It says object selection tool. We click on object selection tool. You have two to choose from. You can use a rectangle or a lasso, and you can draw right around the object you want to select, just like so. And bada boom, bada bing, just like magic, we have now selected the ball. So now if I need to change the color of the ball, just like in my other videos, if you guys want to know more about color correction, PS, there are other videos, link in description below. I know it's a shameless plug. All right, we click on the hue and set, we go to adjustments, hue and saturation, click on our adjustment layer, go to blue, bada boom, bada bing, blue. And now we can change the ball to any color. So let's say we want purple. Now you can see we kind of get this blotchiness going on here with purple. So we don't want a blotchy ball. Blotchy balls are never bad. Go see a doctor if you have blotchy balls. All right, right here we have these little handlebars. So we have the first set with these little arrows, then we have these little lines. So if we drag that arrow out a little bit, and then we drag out the line, you can see we now get a very pink ball. If we want it more purpley, we can go more purpley, but we got rid of that blotchiness. So what we did is we expanded our color selection area. So we selected more of the blue color. That way we got rid of all that blotchiness that was occurring. Now, the only other thing you might need to do is go around and clean up the edges. That's very easy to do. You can use your layer mask right here on your hue and saturation layer to go around and paint in and fix those edge areas. All right, Samurais, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys truthfully enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up button so I know to keep making more videos just like this one. Also, if you're brand new around here and you've not yet clicked that subscribe button, go do it right now. We try to upload brand new videos every week for the familia. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and say it with me. Until next time, remember to dream big, think bigger, and always be you. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.